Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at the AIPER Scuba S1 Pro. And AIPER sent us this for the review. Okay, let's see what's in the box. A nice little card to tell you how to get a hold of support. AIPER, bring vacation home. All right, and then the user manual. Let's take a look at this. All right, so big, thick user manual and a frequently asked questions. Looks like an accessory box. Oh, this is cool. So this is a hook that you can put on your pool pole to use it to retrieve the cleaner from the pool. So you just hook it on and away you go. And finally, a nice big power supply. So you have one end here that plugs into the robot to charge it, and you have a plug on the other end, which is nice because if you have those outdoor plugs, this can go inside that outdoor plug without the brick being in the way. All right, and here it is. All right, let's see if I can get it out of here. Okay, this is pretty heavy. It weighs nearly 26 pounds. Has big lithium battery in it to be able to run for a long time. Now, check that out. That is pretty cool. Nice. Now we can take the plastic off. Got these nice big tracks on it, and even more plastic. Okay, and then inside, so it's got this big basket over here to catch the big debris. So that's pretty nice. Then you can open it up, clean it out. All right, and then there's another filter here that catches all the really small particles. It goes back in. This goes back in, put that down, close it, you're all set. Then on the top, we've got the control here, the on-off button, and it sets which mode you're going to be in. And then if you look on the bottom, these nice brushes to clean your pool, including ones in the back. Okay, so there you go. There's your AIPER Scuba S1 Pro. We look forward to trying this out. Thank you for watching.